back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your photo or pictures move or have a blinking eye effect. So first you have to download the app called Motionportrait. It's available on App Store or in Play Store. After you download the app, just click the icon, select library, select the photo that you want to edit, and it is pre-selected, the eyes and the lips. Just press OK so you can see what's need to be fixed, and it's going to show you. You can see like a bit of the eyebrows moved with the eye, so you can edit or fix that one. Just click the edit part on the top right, and you can make the eyes smaller or resize it smaller and thinner. You can drag it down or where you think it would look good, that one still. That's better, but it's kind of still look obvious that it's blinking too much, so I'm gonna edit it again, fix it, make it even smaller. There you go. It's better than the last one, but I can still see the eyebrows still blinking with the eyes, so let me refix it again. Smaller this time, way smaller. See, there we go. I think this is perfect. Nope, still moving a little bit, so let me go back to it. There we go. Drag it a bit more. There you go. This is where I'm expecting. That's perfect. So after you finish where you want it, just click the cam recorder, like a video cam recorder, and it will record your photo for I think 14 seconds. Yep, and it will just click share in the middle button and click save video on your phone. And yep, that's pretty simple. And I hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys for watching. Please give this a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.